Welcome students. Let us discuss another example. So which is in NCERT book. So it is also 3 marks. So here problem, let us understand the problem here. What is given in the problem? A relation R in the set n of natural numbers is defined as R is equal to x, y such that y is equal to x plus y, x plus 5 and x is less than 4. So here it is also given in rule method. So what is the rule here? Y is equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4. So we have to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. So let us observe here. Given set is, we know, natural numbers. So natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4. So this set is given. Of course it is infinite set. Then important is relation is given. I have written the same thing here. You observe x is less than 4. What it says? X is less than 4 means what are the values we can give here is all the natural numbers. X can take all the natural numbers less than 4. So we cannot take 4 less than 4 natural numbers. So I can choose 1, 2 and 3. So if I go on giving the values here, consider this one as I told in the earlier problem, y equals x plus 5. So here x is equal to 1. You substitute x is equal to 1. So what I will get value of y as 1 plus 5, 6. So my first pair is, if I give x is equal to 1, I got y is equal to 6. So 1 comma 6 is my first pair. You always think the pairs as a comma b or x comma y. In this case x comma y. So x and y are used. If x is equal to 2, see here 2 plus 5. So you substitute 2 here. 2 plus 5, 7. So 2 comma 7. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. 3 comma 8. So in this case I got 3 ordered pairs. So once again, roster method. I have converted this to roster method. So rule method was given here. I have converted to roster method. So let us now check the properties here. Reflexive, clearly visible here. 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Or you can take any other pair here. 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4 does not belongs to R. Therefore it is not reflexive. Then we know symmetric. You take any pair here, one of the pairs here. 1 comma 6, I have taken the first pair here, 1 comma 6, but 6 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So it is not symmetric. So transitive property. ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಎ ಕಾಮ ಬಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಬಿ ಕಾಮ ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪೇರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎ ಕಾಮ ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪೇರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎ ಕಾಮ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಕಾಮ ಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪೇರ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1 ಕಾಮ 6, 2 ಕಾಮ 7, 3 ಕಾಮ 8 ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಎ ಕಾಮ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಕಾಮ ಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೇರ್ಗಳು ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಕಾಮ ಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪೇರ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 ಕಾಮ 6 ಇದೆ, 2 ಕಾಮ 7 ಇದೆ, 3 ಕಾಮ 8 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ನಾವು ಪೇರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. We don't have pairs A comma B and B comma C belongs to R. Therefore, so we are unable to test this property. So unable to test this property means what we can say here is R is transitive. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಪೇರ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, R is transitive ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Clear? R is transitive. So here once again, this is not reflexive, not symmetric, but in the last case we found out that it is transitive.